Welcome to the Garden of Suds. Make sure you subscribe. In this video we are making a banana bar. What we're going to want to do is add roughly about 2 cups of freeze-dried bananas. I would have tried real bananas. I've done this recipe I think twice, and using the regular real bananas, peeling and everything else, it gets messy. So I'm happy I was able to find the freeze-dried bananas. So what you want to do with the freeze-dried bananas is put it either in a blender or a food processor. I use my food processor, and we're gonna make it as a powder. After you make it into a powder, put it to a side and start the oil and lye process. Make sure you temp it down. You roughly want the lye and the oil probably about 5 degrees from each other, and then mix it together for about 5 to 6 minutes. You want it as a light trace. Then go ahead and add the freeze-dried bananas powder to the soap. Give it a little stir with the stick blender, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some yellow mica color. I was trying to get to where it looked like a banana, and I can't tell you how many times I've opened up my mica container, went through, and like, oh, okay, so this is the perfect little color right here, and open it up, and oh, nope, there's not enough mica. If you have ever had that happen, jump down in the comments, let me know. So we're going to go ahead and go back and give this a nice little stir. After we blend it in a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add some banana essential oil. I was actually shocked that I found this. I believe I found this one at a Walmart. Oh my god, you wouldn't believe on how happy I was to find this. So go ahead and give it another little stir. Mix everything in just right, and then after you do that, we're going to go ahead and put it in a mold. Not any particular mold. For this recipe, I preferred to use a thin-walled bar mold, and this mold right here was great. It cut down the hardening time of this soap probably in half. I have other molds that I have like circle molds that take like probably about 3 weeks to a month to harden. This right here, like I said, it cut it in half. After I poured it, it took probably, actually, be honest with you, it took overnight to harden, and that's amazing. So go ahead, add it to it. I'm kind of moving it around from side to side, so the top of the soap has a nice smooth layer to it. If you just put it in there, the top is going to look pretty messed up, little jagged bumps. We really don't want that. What I didn't show you was, before I put it in this mold, you're going to want to shake up the container or the bowl that you use to get rid of as many bubbles as you want. And I've pounded it before. I've grabbed a whisk, put it in, whisk it just a little bit, and it came out great. Now here it is. Here it is. This is the banana soap, and looking at it, I was shocked on how well it actually turned out. This soap looked amazing. I used it last night. Oh my god, I came out and I smelled like a banana all night. My wife loved it. Our little hand model loved the smell of a banana on me. I loved it too. This actually, my opinion, was the best way of doing these banana bars. Using the freeze-dried bananas made this like the easiest recipe like you wouldn't believe. I made this with real bananas and it just turned out like mush. Real quick, do me a favor, jump down in those comments, hit the like button, and most importantly, subscribe to the Garden of Suds. Until next time.